Australia's main source of energy is coal, and according to scientists, it could run out in 2088. Some quick calculations, and have discovered that the Earth is 4.5 billion years old, and it has a life expectancy of 7.85 billion years. That means that we will run out of coal in
71 years. We're going to run out of coal in 71 years.
71 years?
Yes, but don't worry.
The scientists are developing a multi-generational solution.
Scientists are developing a new type of energy. It's called fusion.
Isn't that all the atoms and stuff?
Correct. Scientists are developing a new technology to do thermonuclear fusion. It's where they take two atoms, fuse them together using extremely hot temperatures.
That's the same process as the sun does.
Correct. Scientists are doing a feasibility study in the south of France right now to prove if thermonuclear fusion is possible on Earth. 35 countries from around the world are participating in building the world's largest tokamak, the ITER.
What's a tokamak?
A tokamak is a machine that fuses two atoms together and collects the heat produced in this nuclear reaction through the walls. It then uses this heat to produce steam and then energy through turbines and generators.
By learning in class, to fuse atoms, it has to be extremely hot.
Correct. To fuse an atom, a tokamak must heat atoms to 150 million degrees Celsius. Here's a question for you. What metal doesn't melt at 150 million degrees Celsius?
Mercury?
Trick question. None. All metals melt at 150 million degrees Celsius.
So what's this thing made out of?
Well, that's the problem scientists had to overcome.
Thermonuclear fusion is not possible on Earth?
Well, at the heart of a tokamak is a vacuum chamber. Using extreme heat and pressure, hydrogen gas is compressed into a plasma. The plasma is the environment needed to help fuse atoms. Giant magnetic coils are placed around the inside of the machine. They push the charged particles out of the way so that the extremely hot plasma does not melt the machine.
That's pretty cool.
The giant magnetic coils make the inside of the machine look like a... Oh damn, I forgot the word. Wait, what's that you're eating?
A donut.
Yeah, it looks like a donut, or scientifically known as a torus. The formula for fusion is 4 hydrogens combining together to make 1 helium and give out epic amounts of energy. This is based on Albert Einstein's formula, E=mc². The source for the hydrogen can be water.
Scientists these days are getting smarter.
Well, actually, this technological idea has been around since the 1920s. They just didn't really have the technology to make it work. The 1997 tokamak in England produced 16 megawatts of energy, but needed 17 to run.
That's -1 megawatts. That doesn't make sense.
No, that's right. But the ITER tokamak will produce 500 megawatts of energy and only need 50 megawatts to run. If this feasibility study works, we'll have enough fuel in the ocean to power the world through thermonuclear fusion for the next 2 billion years.